We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's a 218 diesel sport. It's in lovely condition. Lovely sport double spoke alloy wheels. Got the park distance control at the back. Drives absolutely fabulous. Electric windows, electric mirrors, sport interior with the red stitch piping. It's got satellite navigation. It's done 90,195 miles. 6-speed gearbox, different driving style modes, full iDrive. So we've got satellite navigation, media pack, telephone Bluetooth connectivity, reverse park sensors, climate control, aux and a USB, automatic headlights, main wiper wipers. DJH for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.